So this is going to be a quick recap, a quick review on two pairs, GbpUsd AudUsd. We're going to start with the monthly time frame and we're going to go down. So this is GbpUsd monthly time frame. Price has developed some divergence, as you can see, some bullish divergence. We already have a solid candle. That last monthly candle finished very solid, very engulfed, giving us indication that price may continue to push up. And if we go down to the weekly time frame, we also have some bullish divergence. That price built up. And look at that last weekly candle, how it finished. Very strong, very bullish. And we have, like I mentioned, some bullish divergence. And you draw your zones, you'll see how price has revisited the same area a few times, and it just couldn't go past that to keep pushing down. So that's why price developed divergence and boom, started pushing up. So I strongly believe this pair may continue to push up, or we may also get a bearish week, and you will probably start seeing the weekly time frame start consolidating. But if not, then we will start pushing up. Let's go to the daily time frame, where in one of my posts on Instagram I showed how we already have one push up, one level up, retest, false move down, level 2 pushed up, another retest, and now we have price. It looks like it may continue to push up to give us that third level. Once it does that, that it reaches this last, that it revisits this resistance zone where price has been a few times before, we may get price to start pushing down after that. So let me turn it over so you can get a better view of what it looks like. So as you can see how clear the revisits have been, right? So I strongly believe this pair may continue to push up, to revisit certain areas before it gives us another false move down. May continue to push up again some more, or it may start consolidating to take a break on the momentum that is in right now. So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see how that looks. And we see here how price is it's pushing up. That's what it's doing. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame, and then after this we'll go to AudUsd so you can see the similarities, right? Price doesn't look like it's done pushing up, so we may get some consolidation before on this because right now price is consolidating. As this right here is consolidation. Price is not went above this zone or below this area either, so but indications are that price may continue to push up. And like I always say, draw your zones so you can see where price has revisited, so you can know more or less where to look for to go for a trade. Right now trend is up, so that's where we should be looking to trade. Now let me go back to the monthly and let me switch to AudUsd. I actually had a buy stop order when the market opened up. I was right in profit. Right now it looks like I'm at break even, but let's go. AudUsd monthly time frame showing us bullish divergence, same as you saw on GbpUsd. And as you can see, price. So let's continue. So yeah, as you can see, AUD/USD monthly time frame, bullish divergence. I had to pause the video real fast. And price is giving us indication. You can see that last monthly candle closed very strong, very bullish. I believe we will get a third candle up, a nice amount of pips to catch. But let's go to the weekly time frame to get more confirmation. As you can see, more bullish. The trend is down here, right? But as you can see, price has developed some bullish divergence. You see prices pushing down. We have the RSI pushing up. That let us know that a reversal was to happen, and as you can see, a reversal did happen. That last weekly time frame closed very strong, very engulfed, and so we may get more upward movement on this AUD/USD pair, and it's something to look forward to. And maybe for this week, and maybe for the following week as well. And for now, price, before it keeps pushing up, of course, price always tends to push back, right? It always does that. It pushes back before it continues going where it is actually moving to. Now let's look at the daily time frame. The way that candle on Friday closed very strong. We have this, I think it's a morning star candle. You know, that is a good indication that usually price tends to reverse because we didn't have enough buying power during that day, right? So, but as you can see, if that would have been the case, that next candle on Friday would have actually came down to follow with that Thursday candle, but it didn't because the upward movement is pretty strong right now due to that monthly and weekly divergence that I just showed you guys. Let's zoom. A nice W right there. And so we can expect this pair, just like GbpUsd, to, you know, continue pushing up. And before it does so, we may get we may get price to push down before it pushes up. So just keep an eye out on GbpUsd. I do not trade AUD/USD like that, but I saw something I liked, so I decided to mark it up. And it's moving the same way as GbpUsD is moving. I believe usually those two pairs move alike. Let's see what's going on the 4-hour time frame. Price has a lot some revisiting to do, some retouches before if it's gonna push back down, push down. But as you can see, we have all the space to cover, and that is indeed what price may do. So that's something to look forward to. Let's go to the daily time frame. So it seems like we already have like 3 pushes. Let me see, 1, 2, 3. It pushed up, and it induced so many traders to buy more on Thursday, and all those buyers, they probably lost their money because look how that candle just came down. So many buyers just probably stood in that trade, and their account probably was taken away from them, and that's how it closed. And then boom, Friday it just came back up, and that's kind of crazy. It happens to a lot of traders. Something to be careful. If you're trading off the higher time frames only, it's not a good thing to do. The higher time frames are more for a sense of where the market is moving. Like that, you can go to your lower time frames and mark up your zones. You know, mark up your analysis. You know, and of course you got to mark up your analysis on your monthly, weekly, daily time frame. Like that, you can know also where price is going, where the trend is moving, you know. So let's go back to, so yeah, this is the GbpUsd again. I believe price will definitely continue to push up. Give us that third push. 1, 2, 3. This is indeed how the market cycle moves no matter the time frame. You see levels, 3 pushes. The market always tends to reverse, give us a false move. We may get that extended push up where divergence comes into play to get that reversal that we're actually looking for if you was looking to sell or you was looking to buy. So this is just a recap of these two pairs. If you're trading these two pairs, consider everything that I've shown you guys. Maybe I should have did this on the laptop, but I'm currently on my phone right now, so let me know what you think. I'm gonna put this. If you're gonna watch this on YouTube, let me know what you think on the comments below. Like this video, subscribe, share this video, and if you want a more of a close one-on-one personal session on this, hit me up and we can discuss how we can do that. All right? Have a great and safe trading week. Peace.